Hi guys, I'm Ruby and welcome back to my channel. Today, right now, we're doing a 10-minute get ready with me with glasses. This is gonna be my basic makeup look with glasses when I'm in a rush because I've got 10 minutes. Right now, it's 11:48 because I've got to get to my friend's birthday party and it's about an hour and a half away drive for me in Northampton, which is my hometown. So I'm gonna be driving down there. If I don't leave in 10 minutes, I'm gonna be late. It starts at 1:30. I'm aiming for 2. If I say I'm leaving at 12, I should be up and gone by 12:30 because I kind of want to go and get a Starbucks as well. So let's jump right into it. So I've done my eyebrows already. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and Benefit brow gel. And because we're in a rush, we're not carving them out today with concealer. We're going straight in with the foundation. Today we're going to be using the NARS foundation in the shade Marquises. And we're just going to apply that with a beauty blender. Honestly, the day always just streams by. I didn't even put primer on my face, guys. So we're going in with the e.l.f. primer. I'm gonna go around where I've put my foundation on. This is very matting. It's kind of jelly-like. If you've got oily skin, this is probably a good one for you. Guys, we can't go without primer. I can't do it. I always find my makeup goes horrifically wrong during the day if I skip this step. I have also put some moisturizer on my face anyway, but still need a bit of primer. Let's jump in with the beauty blender. And also today I'm gonna be wearing glasses. I actually can see the camera, but it's slightly blurry. I'm short-sighted. I'm not the worst. I'm minus 2.75. I always wear eye contacts, but sometimes we wear our glasses, and today I just don't have time to put my eye contacts in. Today I'm wearing my hair in a bun with a little scrunchie. Currently it is 11:52. I'm gonna put some contour on quickly. We're gonna go in now with some concealer from NARS in the shade Caramel, just to go with the vibe. On the mouth, on the nose. I don't usually do like a straight line, I do dots, face it out a little bit, and then on the forehead. Blend that in. I always go in with the bottom of the beauty blender where I've applied the foundation so that it blends really nicely with the foundation. And then up the nose. Patting that literally in. We're not wiping it, we're just patting. And then again, we're going in with the bottom of the beauty blender where we applied that foundation to pat in the forehead. Under the eyes now, because we're doing a more natural look and it's rushed, I only put a little bit of concealer on. So I'm just gonna do a few dots, not the whole triangle stitch. In the middle of the eye. I mean, maybe it is a bit more than just a dot. And with the NARS one, because it's quite drying, I like to straight away start buffing that in. So today I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Ubi birthday cake. Because it's a bit more of a pinky purpley shade. We're just gonna pat that in with the side of the beauty blender. And we're not gonna be spreading that onto the lid of our eyes. Now we're done, and we're just gonna go in with the powder. And if you see like harsh lines, just then go back in with the bottom of that beauty blender where you applied the foundation, just to make it less like stark. And then we're going to apply that powder around the mouth, up the nose and on the forehead, just to seal it all in and highlight. And then I'm gonna put it on the eyebrows as well. So the eyebrows just have a bit more blend in with the skin. Now I'm gonna be going in with my MAC powder in the shade NW45. Just all around the face, especially on those bits I didn't highlight. Now we're going to be going in with bronzer. This is my Fenty one in the shade Mocco Mammy. Going on the forehead. Now, because I get creasing under my eyes when I don't put any eyeshadow on, I'm going in with a very light nude from my Mario palette, just under my eyes. Basically, I think we're done. I'm just going to go in with a bit of this blusher. This is one I've never used, so I'm a bit nervous. But it's the YSL. It's in this purple packaging called Make Me Blush. And it's this dark purple. I don't usually use dark muted shades like this. I usually go with like pinks or oranges, reds. Does that seem okay? Oh, it's actually quite alright. It's quite like bold. Might need to go back in with the face powder. But yeah, it's very pigmented. You don't need that much. It needs a bit muting. I'm going to go in with it again and just more on the outskirts. Lastly, mascara, and then we need to do lipstick. So let's go in with this Vive mascara. And before I do that, let's do some setting spray. So let's go in with the Morphe. Okay, and while that's drying, I'm going to go in with this mascara. So you can see, with and without. You can see the difference, and it's pretty good. And I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes as well. all done. Let's zoom you back out. And now last step is lips. So using my sturdy MAC Chestnut. For lips, I'm thinking of just going in with my lip oil. What do we think? Is that going to ruin my lip oil? Is it going to get all makeupy and gross? Okay, let's put it on. And that is the lip oil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yes. And this is what we're looking like. Now, for the glasses. So first I need to clean my glasses. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip into the setting powder. Apply that on the glasses. On the little knobbly things in the middle. Put a bit of powder on. And then we put that on our eyes. And it doesn't move all day because when I take them off, I won't have like indentations or marks from the glasses on my makeup. Genuinely, it secures your makeup as long as you don't keep moving your glasses everywhere. Because if you do, then you need to reapply the powder. Thank you for watching my video today. I've really got to run and speed off. I'm really late. It's actually now almost 10 past. So it actually took me almost 15 minutes, but it's because I was talking through the glasses situation. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.